In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly cut vector shapes using some really handy tools. Whether you're crafting a unique design or making precise edits, learning how to manipulate vector shapes is a skill worth mastering. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is select the object or objects you want to cut. It's crucial to note that these must be vector shapes or curves. If you're working with image layers, this technique won't apply, as we're focused on vector editing. Once your objects are selected, we're ready for the next step. Now, head over to your toolbar and choose the knife tool. This tool is specifically designed for slicing through shapes and splitting them precisely where you need. Upon selecting the knife tool, you'll notice some options pop up in the context toolbar. Here, you have some interesting choices. You can opt for a straight line if you're aiming for a neat, direct cut. If you're looking to add some flair with a freeform cut, the stabilizer option will smooth out your strokes, helping you achieve a clean, flowing line. With your preferred setting in place, it's time to actually drag the cut line across your shape. This action does exactly what it sounds like. It slices your vector shape, dividing it into separate segments. This division allows you to work with each new piece independently, which brings us to our next step. After making the cut, you'll want to switch over to the Move tool, which you can quickly access by hitting the V key on your keyboard. At this point, you can start playing around with your newly created segments. Feel free to select each fragment, move them apart to create space, or even delete any unwanted pieces. This is also a great opportunity to apply different styles to each segment, adding layers of depth and interest to your design. If you're looking for a more controlled cutting technique, there's an alternative method using the Pen tool and Divide option. With this approach, you'll start by drawing a Bezier curve exactly where you want to cut your shape. The precision of the Pen tool allows for intricate and precise lines, ideal if your design demands accuracy. Once you've got your curve in place, select both the curve and the original shape, then navigate to the menu and choose Divide. This step will sever the shape at the curve, offering a different level of control and creativity in your design process. And there you have it. You've learned how to cut and manipulate vector shapes like a pro. These techniques are wonderful for customizing your digital designs and exploring endless creative possibilities. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep experimenting with these tools, and you'll master them in no time.